Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube platform Bhavya Insights. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the openings with Invest India where you will get the opportunities to work with senior government officials, state chief ministers and even the cabinet ministers of Government of India. Invest India has the partnership between FICCI and Government of India, and presently on their portal they have around 60 plus openings for multiple roles and multiple cities of India. If you're interested to apply for Invest India, then I have mentioned the link to apply for these positions directly in my caption or the description below. And next in this video, I'll be sharing with you the step-by-step process how to apply on these openings. But before showing you that, if you're new to Bhavya Insights channel, don't forget to subscribe this and share this with your friends and family so whosoever is interested to work with such prominent organization can apply for these openings too. Let's begin the process how to apply on these openings. On google.com, just simply type Invest India Careers. It is also showing in drop down, so select from there. The first link is Invest India Career Opportunities. Now you have a website in front of you wherein you can also see the internship opportunities are available. Then you have a once in a lifetime opportunity to work with national platform. Even it is rated as great place to work with. They have 61 jobs available with them. You can see all these job freshness from 1 day to 3 weeks. Now let's click on the first job opening, that is for Junior Specialist Human Resource, 4 to 5 years of experience based in Delhi. Once you come down, there is an apply button. Click on all the fields, full name, mobile number, email ID, why do you want to work with Invest India, the other details, and submit your resume. Once you submit it, then your CV goes directly to Invest India. In case you need any help to fill out this form or further help, you can mention that in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you for this. All the best for these openings that you're applying for. Do not forget to share this video with your friends so they can also apply for the openings of their domain.